The unboxing of the Epson Surecolor SC-S80600. Always amazes me that they can make a 2-metre box. It's like when Jeremy Clarkson did the car unwrapping. So after unboxing just the take-up reel and media holder, we've got quite a lot of cardboard left that we're going to have to dispose of. It's the only problem with large printers coming in large boxes. You get a lot of cardboard. So we've got to the point of everything's unboxed. Just noticed how heavy these are. Oh, they are heavy. To take a decent sized printer, and also we've noticed, that's quite cool, a leveler. So we've got all the bits laid out. It's like having a new toy at Christmas. We've got lots of bits and bobs we've got to look at. Take up reels out. We haven't yet got the printer out. Do you want me to still hold it?
No, that's okay.
You got it?
That should
be the stand. So it's 3 pieces.
Yeah, this is for the base.
Together. Comes with the Allen key, I suppose.
Yeah.
Cool. The stand is together. So now we've unboxed the printer. We have inks. 2 sets of inks. Yeah. One set of it.
And a
cleaning
cartridges for the second.
Cleaning cartridges. Oh, power lead. Don't normally get a power lead. And media load unit. These are, what are these referred to as?
They're called media lift.
Media lift
Lift
arms, which is helpful if you don't have really strong arms or you have really large rolls.
You get them with the VG2 now.
That's on the stand. These poles were used, so we walked it in.
The issue you get those is the size of the poles you get with the standard machine.
Perfect iron. Oh. So the printer's set up. We've done a test print. Looks fantastic. Oranges are just great. I'll flip the camera around. I've got the heater all attached to it now as well. So there's heat that runs all the way through. This has to be like this because of the speed of the machine. So if you didn't have a nice heating area, a large heating area, the media just wouldn't dry, the solvent ink would dry. But yeah, pretty impressed with this printer so far. It looks great, easy to use, the control panel's fantastic to use. It really doesn't differ from many of the Epson machines you see at home. The menu system is very similar, but obviously for the extra inks and a solvent printer, there's a few options extra. Inks all installed, nice and easy. Maintenance cover, giving you access to cleaning. Really, really accessible. Detailed clarity, oh, awesome. Yeah, look at that, it's almost blowing out on the screen, it's so yellow. Almost neon. We're definitely giving this printer a thumbs up.